surprise. I was gonna buy you a new racing wheel, you know, like one of them carbon fiber numbers. I forgot to put it in.
Oh, come on. Get in here.
Okay.
Thoughtful.
Hey, that's kind of nice.
All right. Okay, yeah, we're back. Woo!
My name is Teddy Tommy, and this is my unsolicited submission to be the next spokesperson for O'Reilly. Oh, and that's my best friend / cameraman, Harley. Hi, I'm Teddy Tommy, 9-time dirt track champion, and also a part-time short order cook.
O'Reilly.
And today, I'm gonna show you my And today, I'm gonna show you around on my regular everyday ride. It's a sky blue 1985 T-top Camaro. And that's my wife, Tina Tommy, my son, Tommy, and my best friend / cameraman, who would never do me wrong, Harley. But first, let me show you what I can do on this bad boy. Come on. Whew. Let's go. What do you think? Got a shot, Harley?
I can edit it together. Maybe put Star Wipe here and there. Maybe add a super sweet soundtrack.
I don't know what that means. You're too Hollywood for me, Harley. Go work.
Pretty sweet, huh?
That is nice.
Spent like $5 on this.
Woo! All right, let's go into the garage. To show you how serious I am about being the helpful voice of O'Reilly, I want to give you a quick tour around my everyday ride. I painted it sky blue because I want to take it off a jump. Super start battery, super starts every time. BrakeBest select premium brake pads, stopped. Did it again. Breathe in that clean air. My car also likes to breathe in that clean air. My car also likes to breathe clean air with the MicroGuard air filters. All right, O'Reilly, I hope you liked my ride and our submission to be your spokesperson. Now, just like the racetrack, we're going out on a bang. So Harley here has cooked up something special just for you.
All right, and action slow-mo. Oh, dang it. Come on, man.
I don't think your fireworks are going off there, Harley.
Shoot, hang on. Okay. Whew. All right. Sorry about that. Ready? And we are go, no go for launch.
All right, go. Nope.
Nothing happened?
Nope. Try to play both at the same time.
Both at the same time?
Yeah.
All right.
Nope.
It's not work. It worked this morning, I promise.
I know, I heard it. I heard it go off in the shed. We probably need to open this thing up, see if the battery's going good.
Yeah, you know, that takes an Allen key, and
all right.
I don't have one of those.
I got one in the car we can use.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I was fixing my sunglasses earlier.
Shoot, let's get it. In the side, or?
No, it's right.
Yeah. I told you it'd work.
Oh, man, that was awesome.
Thank you, Internet.
Wow, I hope you got it on camera.
I think I did.
Oh, Harley, they still fire. Put it out.
I'll save you, Teddy. Look out. Be gone. Quit blowing on you. Give it an oxygen. You spit on my shoe.
I'm helping it.
No, you're not. There.
Oh, good job. Your shoe hot?
It's gross. No, see, it's your spit.
I did get a little spit on there, didn't I?
You got it on my shoe.
Oh, it's a spit shine now. Rub that in. Rub that in, get it real nice. All right, make sure to subscribe and also check out the O'Reilly How-To videos. You can learn all about cars, trucks, and if it's got wheels, you can learn about it. Maybe one day, you'll see this face gracing those videos. Have like a real budget, Not just Harley on that camera, but like a whole crew of people. Guy doing all the lights. Be somebody watching on a monitor somewhere.